Here is a Void AI review. Void AI can be downloadable to any device that you have. You can download it through beta or GitHub. As you can see, it has AI features that you are going to love. However, it has different codes. So as you can see, you can go ahead and press tab to apply the autocomplete options. There is also a quick edit features that you can edit your selection inline. And there is also an agent mode, gather mode, and normal chats that you can see. So it is just like the other AI. However, in Void AI, there is a different codes that you have to apply before it only works for you. It is also an open source cursor that can be alternative to any cursors that you have. It is available on Mac, Windows, Intel, or any other devices that you can have, and it is easy to download. So if you want a code working AI, Void AI is right for you.